Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John R. and I'm your instructor. I'll bet that some of you are at a point in your jewelry career where you've had success selling a few pieces and those pieces have gotten enough attention from others that you've been asked to repeat the same design over and over again. And you've probably made patterns for those pieces. Well, sustainability is an important aspect of the jewelry industry. Now, lots of you are wondering, how does that apply to me as a jeweler? Well, let me tell you. You could be very economical in terms of your use of fuel energy. You could also be very, very conscientious about recycling. But more importantly, you want to be very, very judicious with the use of your materials. Some of you are only working in copper, but many of you have graduated on to working in gold and silver. Now, when you make a line of jewelry with a wide variety of different shapes and you're repeating those shapes over and over again, it may be important that you gang those items up as a pattern and put it onto your sheet metal so that you are using every little bit of that sheet metal. Now you'll notice all of the objects that I have on the right were made using templates. Now these are great if I'm going to apply a design to a small piece of metal. But if I'm in production and I'm making a lot of pieces at once, I'm probably going to want to use about a 6" by 6" square of metal, sheet metal. And in order to use that effectively, what I want to do is plan my cuts. Here you can see I have laid out pairs of earrings all over the surface of this 6" by 6" area. And wherever there's a gap, I've tried to fill in with a bail. And that's because oftentimes the elements that we use as earrings sometimes are transferable to being charms or pendants. In order to effectively use this on your sheet metal, you simply photocopy it onto a large piece of crack and peel label. That way you can put it right on the piece of metal, and as you cut, the image of the lines doesn't smudge away with every touch that you make on that surface. You'll see good contrast and you'll be able to cut everything perfectly. I hope this tip helps. Check out our other videos and products on the onlinejewelryacademy.com. Thanks for watching.